Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick reminder before we get started, please do remember to like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone else you think would enjoy our content. That all helps the channel out quite a bit. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 30. If we start with this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 here and a 5 here, so this is our 2. That 5 means this is our 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this top row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. The 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 2, 5, 2, 5. That means our 3 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 8, 7. For this row now, we're missing a 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 5. 5 here, so 2, 8. 2 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 5. And 7 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 8. And the 4 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 2, 5. 5 makes this our 2, 8, 5, and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will be back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.